Hello friends, today I am here with next part of series Power BI, and today we will see how to transform data in BI. Let's move towards video. In last video, we understood the interface of Power BI, and in this video we will learn about transform data feature. So now to transform data, click on transform data. As you clicked on it, new window will open. You can see whatever changes you made, they are showed here in applied steps. You can see tabs like home, transform, add column, view, tools, help, just like Excel. If you are importing new data source, then click on this. If you want to enter own data in table, then click on this. Other than this, it has different parameter settings. You can refresh data here. If you want to delete columns, then this is the option, just same as Excel. If you have any doubts about the options, then click on buttons for the practice. One more thing, here are the columns. If you right click on them, you can see different options. Suppose if I want to change the type of column, then we'll click on change type. And as you know, suppose if I want to change the type of column, then I'll click on change type. And as you can see, now the type of column is text. So here are the option to change the type, like you can make in decimal, whole number, percentage, date or time. All you can change here. Here is the remove duplicate option. Like you know, in the Excel, if you want to duplicate the existing column, then here is the option. If you click it, the same to same table column is created here. But I don't want this now, so we'll undo this from the applied steps, where we can see all the actions performed on the table. Here I have two tables, and if I want to edit any table, then here add column is the option from where you can add column in your existing table. Now let's see how you can add the column. So click on the custom column, and now you can see it's asking for name of a new column. So I am giving it as a total bill. Okay, now we'll move towards formula, where we have to explain on what basis we want new column. As we created column total bill, so we'll multiply the price and quantity. Now you can see the result. It has given you the column in which Power BI has multiplied the values of price and column. Power BI has multiplied the values of price and quantity column. Other than this, if you want any null values, then click here to see all the values from column. And if you want to apply filter for column, here is the option. As it is text column, so it's shown filter for text. You can check with another number. You can check with another number column, where it will suggest number filter for number column, just same as Excel. We often use group by queries in BI, so I will explain that also to you guys. Go to home tab, and you will get group by option there. Click on it. Now as you can see, here is the dialog box in which you can see two options in upper side. First, basic and advanced. First I will show you basic group by. Now as you can see, here is the dialog box in which you can see two options in upper side of dialog box. First I will show you basic group by. Okay, now I want to group by on basis of product. That is what I am choosing. Give column name as new column. And now what operation do you want to do on column data, that we have to choose here. I am picking some operation. At end we have to choose on which column that operation will perform. So I will choose quantity column. Now you can see how much goods of every product were sold by shopkeeper in the updated table. That's it guys for today.